In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Google Play Store not downloading. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. So it's very easy to go ahead and do this. Let's say I go over to the Play Store and I want to go ahead and download something. So let's say I wanted to go ahead and download something like Invincible. I press install and maybe it's not working for me. So what I want to go ahead and do instead is go ahead and swipe down on the top right. It's going to show my control panel. Then click that settings wheel cog icon. Now, once you're here, what you want to do is go over to apps, which is usually going to be towards the bottom. And then you want to tap and find Google Play Store. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to swipe down and then I'm going to find Google Play Store right there. Scroll down again and I'm going to see a lot of different things, but I want to go to storage right there. Then on the bottom right, I'm going to see clear cache. Go ahead and click that, then go ahead and try and download again. And then it should definitely work. What you could also do is if you haven't updated your system software in a while, that could be the issue. So go over to software update and then download and install the latest version of whichever update is available. Now, finally, if you're on any VPN or private DNS server, go ahead and disable that and just be on a clean, normal internet and try and download again and it should work. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something that you didn't know about yet.